In all group companies, the encoder is very critical feedback sensor measuring the position, speed and direction of rotation of the motor. All modern equipment, right from robots to CNC machine to printing packaging, need this product.
It all began when we conducted a line survey at Jayashree Encoders, uncovering insights into their application and processes. Through detailed seminar on anaerobic technology and acrylic, we ensured deeper understanding of their needs and challenges.
Adhesive is cost-wise a very small part of our process, but it is very critical for product performance, as failure can lead to catastrophic failure at the customer end, which can be several times more than the cost of an encoder.
Before diving into solutions, we carefully considered various aspects including enhancing productivity, improving process reliability, and reducing cost per component. Our collaborative efforts led to a series of trials and tests where Mr. Bapat and his team played a crucial role in implementing LOCTITE bearing retainers and innovative LOCTITE UV cure technology. We achieved remarkable results with increased productivity and a reliable solution.
And that's how we are going beyond the bond with LOCTITE.